Okay students, class 11th mathematics exercise 10.2. Okay, this exercise is related to the equation of the lines. In this exercise we will solve the questions which are related to the different forms, various forms of the equation of the lines, like the slope intercept form, the point slope form, the intercept form, the normal form, etc, etc. Okay, so we will try to solve, or we will learn how to find the equation of the line, means how to find the path of the straight lines in this exercise. So without wasting the time, let's start with the question number 4. This is question number 4. Passing through equation of the line. Find the equation of the line which is passing through the point 2 under root 3 2 under root 3 and inclined with the x-axis at an angle of 75 degree. Means we have been given one point is 2 and 2 under root 3, and the inclination is 75 degree, that is theta. Theta is 75 degree. Okay, inclination is. So point is 2 under root 3 and inclination is 75 degree. Now we have to find the equation of line. Inclination, so from inclination we can find the slope. Slope is equals to tan theta, that is tan 75 degree. Tan 75 degree, that is tan of 45 degree plus 30 degree. Tan 45 degree plus 30 degree, that is tan of 45 degree plus tan of 30 degree upon 1 minus tan of 45 degree, tan of 30 degree. This is 1 plus 1 by under root 3 upon 1 minus 1 into 1 by under root 3 equals to under root 3 plus 1 upon under root 3 minus 1 after solving this. Okay, so this is the slope. This is the slope and this is the point. So equation of line. Equation of line is y minus y1. Equation of line in point slope form. In point slope form, that is y minus y1 equals to slope m into x minus x1. So y minus y1, that is 2 under root 3 is equals to m, and that is under root 3 plus 1 upon under root 3 minus 1 into x minus x1, that is 2. Okay, this is the equation of line. Now we can solve this. That is under root 3 minus 1 into y minus 2 under root 3 equals to under root 3 plus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, we have to solve this. So solving this, we will get under root 3 minus 1 into y minus 2 under root 3 into under root 3 minus 1 and equals to x into under root 3 plus 1 minus 2 into under root 3 plus 1. Okay, so x into under root 3 plus 1 minus y into under root 3 minus 1 is equals to 2 under root 3 plus 1 minus 2 under root 3 into under root 3 minus 1. Okay, so after solving we have x into under root 3 plus 1 minus y into under root 3 minus 1 is equals to 2 under root 3 plus 2 minus 3 to the 6 plus 2. Okay, so this is 2 plus 2 4 minus, that is 2 into under root 3 minus 1. This is the equation of the line in question number 4. Okay, now we are taking the question number 6. Of the exercise 10.2. Question number 6 of the exercise 10.2 is, I am reading the question. Intersecting the y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin, means intersecting the plus y-axis. Okay, and making an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. Means the question is like this. The diagram will be 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. This is positive direction of x-axis. This is positive direction of x-axis. So 30 degree angle is 30 degree and at a distance of 2 unit. At a distance of 2 unit above the origin. So this is like this. Equation of line is like this. Passing through the point this and angle is 30 degree. Okay. Means the rough sketch of the given information will be like this. Line is making an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. This is positive direction of x-axis. Okay. And intersecting the y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin. Okay. So this point P is 0, 2. Okay. So line is passing through the point P0, 2. Okay. And angle theta, inclination theta. Actually inclination theta is equals to 30 degree. So slope will be equal to tan of theta, tan of 30 degree, tan of 30 degree that is 1 by under root 3. So slope is this and point is this. So using point slope form, equation of line is y minus y1 2 is equals to slope 1 by under root 3 x minus 0. So y minus 2 is equals to x by under root 3. This is the equation of the line. Okay, by the given information. Now we have to solve. Solve the question number 8. Question number 8 of the exercise 10.2. Question number 8 of the exercise. Question number 8 is perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 unit. Perpendicular distance from the origin is given as 5 unit and angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis is 30 degree. Okay. So using the information or reading the information, we can conclude that we have to find the equation of line in normal form as the perpendicular distance from the origin is given. Also angle made by the perpendicular with the positive direction of x-axis is also given. So we have to find the equation of the line in normal form. This is the line. And perpendicular to this line making an angle of 30 degree. And perpendicular distance from the origin is given as 5 unit. 5 unit. Okay. So these informations are given to us. We have to find the equation of the line L. Okay. So 5 unit, that is P. P is given as 5 unit and this angle is 30 degree, that is omega is given as 30 degree. Okay. So we can use the normal form. Using normal form of equation of line, that is x cos omega plus y sin omega equals to t. That is x cos of omega, that is cos of 30 degree plus y sin of 30 degree is equals to t, that is 5 unit. So x cos 30, that is x into under root 3 upon 2 plus y sin 30, that is y upon 2 is equals to 5. So under root 3 into x plus y is equals to 5 into 2, multiplying whole of the equation by 2. So equation of line is under root 3x plus y is equals to 10. This is the equation of the line as per the given information. Okay. Now we will solve the question number 9. We will solve the question number 9. Question number 9 of the exercise 10.2. Question number 9 is the vertices of triangle PQR are triangle PQR vertices are given as P vertices. P is given as 2 1, Q is given as -2 3, and R is given as 4 5. These are the vertices of the triangle PQR. Okay, this information is given to us. Now we have to find the equation of the median through the vertex R. We have to find the median through the vertex R. Suppose this is vertex R, this is P, and this is Q. So we have to find the median. This is Rm. We have to find the median Rm. Okay, so we can find Rm if we have the coordinate of the point M. If we have the coordinate of the point M, okay, coordinate of point M, that is equation of the line passing through 2 points, that is R and M. We know the coordinate of R, that is 4 5. Okay, now how to find the coordinate of the point M? Median means point M is the midpoint of the line segment PQ. Okay, side PQ. Okay, so M is the midpoint of the line segment PQ. So M is the midpoint of line oblique side PQ. Okay, so we have to find the midpoint of the PQ. So midpoint of PQ is equals to PQ. Midpoint of PQ is 2 plus minus 2 upon 2 and 1 plus 3 upon 2, x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Using the formula x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2 for finding the midpoint. So midpoint is 2 minus 2 0 upon 2, that is 0. 1 plus 3 4 upon 2, that is 2. So M is the midpoint or coordinate of M are 0 and 2. Now we have to find the equation of the line median passing through vertices R is Rm. Median is Rm, means Rm means equation of line passing through, R and M, passing through 2 point R and M. Okay, so coordinate of R is 4 5, coordinate of M is 0 2. So equation of line Rm or median is y minus y1 2 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 x minus x1. This is the equation of the line Rm using the 2 point form. So y minus 2 is equals to 5 minus 2 3 upon 4 into x, that is y is equals to 3 upon 4 into x plus 2. This is the equation of the line. Okay, now we have to solve the question number 10. Okay, 10 and after that question number 11, both questions will be solved. So question number 10 is, reading out the question number 10, if you want more time, then you can pause the video. Okay, after pausing the video you can solve your required calculation. Okay, now we are solving the question number 10. So question number 10 is find the equation of the line passing through the point -3 pi passing through the point -35 and perpendicular to the line through the point 25 and -36. Two informations are given. We have to find the equation of line. Okay, two informations are given that line passes through the point -35. Line passes through the point -35, and this line which passes through this point is perpendicular to the line joining the point 25 and -36. Okay, so we have to use this information and to find the equation of the line which passes through -35 perpendicular to this line segment PQ, passes through point A. Equation of line passes through point A and perpendicular to the line PQ. Okay, so first of all we have to find the slope of the line segment PQ. Okay, after that we will find the slope of the line passing through point A. Okay, so slope of the line PQ, slope of the line PQ is using 2-point form, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equals to 6 minus 5 upon minus 3 minus 2 equals to minus 1 upon 5. 6 minus 5 upon minus 3 minus 2, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Slope of the line PQ is minus 1 upon 5. Now this line passing through A is perpendicular to the line segment PQ. So slope of line passing through A, slope of line L is equals to minus 1 upon slope of line PQ. Okay, we know this relation. Slope of any line perpendicular to another line is equals to minus 1 upon slope of the perpendicular line. Okay, so slope of line L, capital L, equals to minus 1 upon 5, so that is equals to 5. So slope of this line is 5, and this passes through the point this. So using point slope form, equation of line is y minus 5 is equals to 5 into x plus 3. So equation of line is 5x minus y is equals to 5 3 of 15 minus 5 minus 20 or plus 20 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the line, required equation of the line passing through the point and perpendicular to the another line. We are solving the question number 11 also. Question number 11 of this exercise. Question number 11 of the same exercise. Question number 11 of the same exercise is question number 11. I am reading the question, you have to pay your attention. A line perpendicular to the line segment joining the point 1, 0, 2, 3 divides it in the ratio 1n. Find the equation of the line. Are you understanding? I am again reading the question. Line perpendicular to the line segment joining the point 1, 0 and 2, 3. So suppose that this point is 1, 0 and this point is 2, 3. So any line passing through perpendicular to this line PQ, divides it in the ratio 1 ratio n. Divides this in the ratio 1 ratio n. So find the equation of the line L. Suppose line L is intersecting or dividing this line PQ in the ratio 1 ratio n. This ratio is also given to us. Okay, then we have to find the equation of line L. Now nothing is given about the line. Nothing is given about the required line. So what we have to do? We have to find the information from the given information so that we can find the equation of line L. Okay. Now one thing that is given, that this line is perpendicular to PQ. So we can find the slope of line L using the perpendicular condition. Given that line L is perpendicular to line PQ. Line L is perpendicular to line PQ. So using this information, we can find the slope of line L. So slope, first of all, slope of line PQ. Slope of line PQ 3 minus 0 upon 2 minus 1, that is 3. So slope of line L equals to minus 1 upon slope of line PQ. Okay. So slope of line L is equals to minus 1 upon 3. This is the slope of this line, means L is equals to minus 1 by 3. Okay. So one information we have obtained. Okay. Now we have to find one point so that we can find the equation of the line. So how we will find that point? That point is R. That point is R that we can find. This point R divides the line PQ in the ratio 1:n. Okay. By this information we can find the coordinate of point R. Point R divides the line segment PQ in the ratio 1:n. So point R is equals to 1:n, that is 1 into 2 plus n into 1 upon 1 plus n, and 1 into 3 plus n into 0 upon 1 plus n. So coordinate of the point R are 2 plus n upon 1 plus n and 3 upon 1 plus n. This is the coordinate of the point R. Okay, now we have to find the equation of line L passing through the point R with slope minus 1 by 3. So equation of line L is y minus y1 y minus 3 upon 1 plus n is equals to slope, that is minus 1 by 3 into x minus 2 plus n upon 1 plus n. Okay, now we have to solve this and finding the required equation of the line. So you can solve this, you can easily solve this, or I am solving. So 3 into y minus 3 upon 1 plus n minus 1 into x minus 2 plus n upon 1 plus n. So this is x plus 3y is equals to 2 plus n upon 1 plus n plus 3 3 is 9 upon 1 plus n. So x plus 3y is equals to 1 plus n is taking LCM, so 11 plus n. So this is the equation of the line after solving this equation. Okay, this was question number 11. This was question number 11. Now we are solving question number 12. We are solving question number 12. Solving the question number 12. Question number 12. I am reading the question. Question number 12 is find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passing through the point 2, 3. We have to find the equation of the line which cuts equal intercepts on the axis and passing through the point 2, 3. Passing through the point 2, 3. Okay. So the diagram of the equation of line with the given information is like this. This is A, this is B, and passing through the point 2, 3. Okay, this information is given to us. We have to find the equation of the line L. We have to find equation of the line L. Okay, line L having the equal intercepts on the axis as well as this equation of line passing through the point 2, 3. So we will use the intercept form of the equation of the line using intercept form equation of line L is x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. A is equals to b given. So x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. Y upon a is equals to 1. So x plus y is equals to a. This passes through the point 2, 3. So 2 plus 3 is equals to a, implies that a equals to 5. So equation of required line is x plus y is equals to a means 5. So this is the equation of that line. This is the equation of that line. Intercept is 5 unit. Intercept is 5 unit. Now question number 13. Also solving the question number 13 of the same exercise, and probably this is the last question of today's video. Question number 13. 13 is find equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2. Cutting off intercept on the axis whose sum is 9. Now we have been given that equation of the line in intercept form. This is x intercept a and this is y intercept b. Okay, so a and b are the intercept of the line on x-axis and y-axis respectively. Also we have been given that sum of the intercept is 9 and passing through this point 2, 2. This line is the line L having the sum of intercepts on axis are 9. That is a plus b is given as 9, equation number first. Okay, now line L is in intercept form. Intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. This line 2 is passing through the point 2, 2. Passing through the point 2, 2. Okay, so 2 upon a plus 2 upon b is equals to 1, equation number 3. Now we have to solve first and third and finding the values of a and b. Okay, so 2 oblique a plus 2 oblique b equals to 9 minus a is equals to 1. 9 minus a is equals to 1. So 2 into 9 minus a plus 2 into a is equals to a into 9 minus a. So 18 minus 2a plus 2a is equals to 9a square means 9a minus a square. So a square minus 9a plus 18 is equals to 0. Solving this we will have a minus 6 and a minus 3 is equals to 0. Implies that a equals to 6 and a equals to 3. So a having the two values, that is 3 and 6. Now putting these values of a in equation number 1. So from equation first A equals to 6 implies that B equals to 3, and A equals to 3 implies that B equals to 6. So equations of line are x upon 6 plus y upon 3 equals to 1, and x upon 3 plus y upon 6 is equals to 1. These are the two equations of the line. Okay. So we were solving the questions of the exercise 10.2. We have solved some of the questions, means question up to question number 13. Now in second video tomorrow we will solve the remaining questions, that is question number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, till then, thank you.